I dug this out with an excavator. Dug this out with an excavator, and I've been hand digging up under there. Uh, this that's a piece of OSB there, but it's tacked onto a floor joist, and so the floor joists in this corner have fallen down. So I got to dig a good bit up in there, and of course jack it up, post it, concrete it in, and all of that good stuff. Put a beam in. Very hard clay.
Good
What's
morning.
wrong?
Hey, do you want some ice cream for later?
I don't
Hey,
think so.
sure.
No snack.
Your ice cream,
No, I don't think
like the milk and
so.
strawberries.
No, I don't think so.
Just making sure we're on the same page.
Yeah.
Golly,
I got a hand dig. A good ways up under there.
what do you have any assessment yet?
Oh, it's just this end has fallen.
Got it.
And so I'll build a shelf, pour concrete, and put a beam in there and a post, jack it up, and
Glad you didn't find a dead body or anything.
Well, I'm not done. Yeah.
Becky.
Well, folks, I'll show you what we got going here. There's the pile excavator. Oh yeah, so yeah, this is all falling. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floor joists that have basically just fell right in. So I'm just gonna run a beam 6, 7, 8 foot, probably 8 foot in, and yeah, set post underneath it, concrete, and all of that good business, and get this back up. Quite the mess, folks. Quite the mess, and I'm gonna have to go way up in there. Now, some of this I can access from the crawl space. We're gonna tear a room out next to this one, which will make it easier to get to, but I've got to be able to get over here. As you can see, it is inches off the ground. Oh, the story of my life, folks. Work, and then more work. We'll be redoing this plumbing under here. Yeah, gonna be quite the chore. Anyway, folks, when it gets too tough for everybody else, that's when it's just right for me. Just right. It's kind of cool in this hole. Temperature's a little cooler. That's it, folks. All right, I believe that's it. I'm going to get to digging. We'll see you.